What's up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a what to grow in June video. So I have my seeds here. These are the things that I will be sowing in June. And this is also a unboxing. I placed my first order with Botanical Interest online, and it was for Memorial Day weekend. They were having a 40% off sale, so this was a good time to stack up on seeds for next year. We all know seeds do not expire. You just need to have the proper storage and they will last for years. I'll be sowing these seeds in the month of June. My gardening zone is 8B. These will definitely have plenty of time to mature and grow and receive harvest. If you are in a different gardening zone, you want to look at the back of the seed packet to see what zone you're in and when is the best time to sow these types of seeds, if you're interested in growing the ones that I'm about to show you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. And if my surroundings look different and I keep looking off to the side, I'm visiting my parents, so I decided that I would just do this quick video over here. They're on a main street, so there's some traffic, so I'm having to wait a little bit, but no big deal. Let's get right into it. When you open up the box, you get this nice little insert. It says Happy Growing Botanical Interest, and that is really sweet. It almost feels like a little note. I really appreciate the effort put into, you know, the shipment of their seeds. It also came with a seed starting guide, so if you need some help, you have yourself a little seed starting guide, which is very helpful. And they also threw in some lettuce seeds. This is a mixed variety of lettuce and it was free. And we are going to get into the seeds that I purchased to sow in June because I wanted to purchase some new varieties. Alright, so the first seed variety that I wanted to try was a bush bean variety. And this is the Contender bean. It looks like that. And I've heard amazing things about these seeds. They are frost sensitive for about 50 days. And they like temperatures at around 70 to 85 degrees. And maturity day is 50 days, so this is a quick harvesting bean. And I've heard that these are very prolific seeds, so they will just give you an abundant amount of seeds off of one plant. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for abundance because why grow a vegetable garden if you're not really getting much harvest? I mean, it is fun to grow just to see cool varieties, but I'd rather grow varieties that are going to produce for me, that are going to give me the most bang for my buck and really give me some food that I can harvest and eat and, you know, all of that. So that's why I chose this, because I heard it really produces a lot of beans, so I'm excited to try these. And I also like the painting on there. That's a little different because usually it's a photo, but this feels like more majestic, and I don't know, I just like the painting. So I think their seed packaging is really pretty. They give you a lot of information on the back of the packet, and I really do think this is a pretty good company so far to purchase seeds from. So the next runner-up is the Minnesota midget melon. This is a cantaloupe and it is supposed to be like container friendly. It's frost sensitive up to 60 to 70 days. And these melons are single serving size, so they get like, you know, just a single serving, a small melon. And it says these plants take up less space and are very productive. So I am excited to try these. I've heard they're juicy and sweet and delicious. These melons like temperatures around 70 to 90 degrees. and days to maturity is only 60 to 70 days. I have a long growing season, so I have plenty of time to probably get 2 sessions of these in before, you know, our winter hits. So I'm excited for melons. I've never had any luck growing melons, so we'll see how those go. These are the Minnesota midget melons. The next seed variety that I am just over the moon about, I've been hearing lots of people raving about these melons. They produce like crazy, are the mouse melon. So these are just tiny little melons. People say that they taste like a sour cucumber. So this is what they look like. And they're just little small melons that are sour. And I like pickles. I like sour stuff. So I think I will like these. Adorable little watermelons that taste like cucumbers. Fun to grow, fun to eat. You can also pickle these or use them as an olive in like a cocktail or something. So that's exciting. The melons like 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and days to maturity is about 70 days. So these are awesome. Yep, we're gonna grow these. You do need to trellis these up a small trellis. Let's see if you need to trellis these other melons. You probably do need to trellis these. I would recommend trellising because they are a melon. So trellis these as well, be on the safe side. All right, so that is 3. And then I ordered one last variety that I couldn't find anywhere. It was sold out for so long, and I finally went on this website and they had them, and I just had to get them. These are Scotch bonnet peppers. That's what they look like. And the reason I wanted to grow these peppers is because I love Jamaican food, and the Scotch bonnet pepper is an essential ingredient to Jamaican foods. They use this in all of their dishes and stuff, and it just gives it that Caribbean taste. So I specifically love rice and peas, and I wanted to make my own rice and peas at home, but I cannot find this pepper at any of my supermarkets. It's not there. So I was like, I'm just gonna grow my own, and I'm gonna freeze them and just use them whenever I need to use them in any dishes. So that's exciting. I can grow peppers, you know, all throughout the summer. These take 75 to 100 days to maturity. So that's a little longer, but it'll be worth the wait. I haven't tried many pepper varieties. I do want to try the shishito pepper, but it was out of stock, so I didn't get to get that one. But I will try to pick it up when it's back in stock. But I'm excited for this. So this will be the Scotch bonnet. I've grown, you know, the jalapeno pepper and the banana pepper. So this will be my 3rd variety that I've ever grown. So peppers do well in hot conditions, and I think this will do well here. And I am so excited for this. So this was my most anticipated seed packet, and we're gonna see how delicious these are in our dishes. I only ordered 4 seed varieties because, you know, I have a small growing space, and I like to stick to what I know and what works, and I like to try a couple different varieties a year, but not too many. I don't like to go crazy with it, because if I don't like it, then it's just a waste of money. So I do a couple at a time, and yeah, these are definitely worth putting on your list of, you know, new seeds to try. So write it down on your list. These will grow great in the summertime. And yeah, I hope that it gave you some new options of what you can grow in your garden. That wraps it up for this botanical interest unboxing and what you can sow in June. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.